Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. Sorry, I'm going to pull my chair up. I forgot that part. So today I just wanted to do a Etsy shop share with you. I have saw several times on Gail Augustinelli's channel her doing the Mixed Media Minnesota Scrapbooking kits. I do believe they are monthly. So she had just featured and showed the February one, and of course it had pink in it, as well as this paper pad that I'm going to show you from Stamperia, which I have used before and I absolutely love it. So this is Mixed Media Minnesota's February kit, and again I saw this several kits from Gail Augustinelli, and the owner of Mixed Media Minnesota, her name is Shannon. So you guys go on over there to Mixed Media Minnesota, and see Shannon. So we're just going to go through this real quick. I know if you guys watch Gail Augustinelli, I'm sure that you have already saw this kit. So we're just going to pull out these things right quick. I have no idea what I'm going to do or what I'm going to make. It actually just came today, and I'm very, very excited because this is my first time ordering this kit. So yeah, I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do. So we have some of this. I think this is like tulle. Can't really see it in camera. And then this looks like some kind of gauze or something similar to cheesecloth. So we have a big piece of that. Guys, maybe we should dye this pink. Maybe we'll do that. And then we have some of this fuzzy round yarn stuff. It looks like it's white and it goes into pink. So that is really, really cute. And then we have this, looks like some organza ribbon. And it's a really light pink color. And then we have a little piece of lace here, which is also really cute. And let's see what we have here. This is Shabby Chic Bouquet Elements. So these look fun. It actually shows us on the back which ones we have there, if you guys can see that. So it looks like we have some flowers and a clock and a light, birdhouse, things like that. So that's really cute. So those will be fun to use. Yep, those will be cute. And then here we have ephemera, 49 pieces, and this is Prima. So let's see what we have in here. Well, this looks fun. Okay. So yeah, so we have those. It's two different packs. These look like hard vellum type stuff. I don't think it is vellum, but those are really pretty. So we have those. And then we have these Prima flowers. So these are really cute. I think I have saw these at Michael's before. But yeah, those are cute. So we have those. And then we have some white dollies here. So we have a couple of those. And then, of course, we have the Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous stencil here. So that's really pretty. They are roses. So I'll have to put that with my... Once I do this project with my other ones. Okay, this looks like her card. Thank you for your purchase. Mixed Media Minnesota. Yep, Shannon. So that's really cute. So you guys make sure to go over there and check her out. So this is the Shabby Rose. And again, I have bought this before and used it. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I had did a altered file folder journal with this and sold it in my Etsy shop. So I'm not sure if we will do a file folder, or with this being, I believe this is all cardstock, we may do another Patricia Veramonte flippy thingy, because I really do want to do another one of those. We may do one of those, and maybe I can just search, sorry about the noise guys, search for like some pink flowers and roses and stuff like that in a digital, something that will complement this very well. Look, you can even use the inside of the cover, guys. This paper is so pretty. I love these. Yep, I used that ephemera. I had a really good time before making this kit. My gosh, look at that. all that pretty pink. It's such a pretty kit. I like that writing and the faint pink flowers. And we have a thing of journaling cards. So those are really pretty. And then we have these ephemera there. Yep, these are really, really pretty. I absolutely love this paper pack. And then again on the back cover you can use that as well. That sheet there. So that is that. And then we have, this is Stamperia. What is this? It's called Rosa. I guess it's maybe some kind of paint. Yep, looks like it might be. Yeah, and that's a real light pink color, so that's a really pretty color. And then here we have some textured paste, transparent gloss, which I have never used before. Clear drying, artist quality, textured paste. So we will have to definitely try this because I've never used that before, so that will be fun. And then we have, I guess this is like the Stickles. Oh, it's liquid pearls. And really light yellow looking color, shimmery. So yeah, that's really pretty. That's going to be pretty. Alright guys, so that is my little share today. I am excited about you know, using this kit and doing my very first Mixed Media Minnesota. So I guess we will see how this goes. Let me go ahead and get all this back in here so that, of course, I can try and keep it together here. Yeah, very excited. So I'm hoping that it is something that does work out well for me, and it's something that I can continue to participate in, because this is a beautiful kit. And of course I always love and enjoy what Gail does with the kits when she gets it in. She makes such beautiful journals. You guys know how much I love Gail's work. She is amazing, to say the least. So yeah, I am excited about doing my first kit with Mixed Media Minnesota. Okay guys, I'm struggling here. Let's see. Okay, there we go. We got it, I think. Maybe. Alright, good enough. Right, guys? Alright, so again, this is Shannon from Mixed Media Minnesota, and this is her February scrapbooking kit for the month of February. Sorry, I have my little treats over here, my little Hershey Kisses. Y'all don't see those. So yeah, very excited about that. And I will leave her link to her Etsy shop below, as well as a link to this kit. So I hope you're all doing well today. Thank you all so much for your support. I really do appreciate it, and we will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.